everyone, this is Philippa at Flipcat Craft. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a flip through of a ring journal that I've made, and if you remember a past video I had made a folio that I thought was going to go into a ring journal, but that was a bit of a disaster, so I started over. This one is using some papers from as the base from Die Cuts with a Review called Mariposa, so there's a lot of butterfly images. And the pages technique is, I found it from Tina and Shabbydabbydoodah, but I'll explain that when I get to it. And the cat images they're not commercial. They're from a digital collection that I can use for myself. So this is actually a gift for a friend, and so I can use them for that. And this backing paper is from Prima. I think it's called the Time Traveler or something like that. Anyway, so without any further ado, I will show you. And there's sort of butterflies and cats and wings. And I like this teal colour. I think it's nice and bright, and hopefully my friend likes it. And that's my cat shaking his bell. So here I've got a pocket, and that's made out of an envelope, and I've used some of the paper here. And the pages I've made out of 12 by 12 paper folded in half and cut off, and that was the suggestion Tina made because it's scrapbook paper, so it's actually really sturdy. So these pages here, double-sided and quite sturdy. So that was, I thought, a really good tip. So they're half the width, I guess that's 6-inch paper, and then I put the holes in them and then cut them off at the top and bottom. I saw this idea from Justine in House of Mahalo. It was a flip pad, but it had like the different lengths showcasing the different papers. I really like that idea. She had it in a lap book journal that she did as a giveaway, and it slides out. So that's like a little belly band. And I've just stamped that, and I've put one of my printables on the back, and that's one of my printables as well, one of my fussy cuts. And that slides back in like that. But I just really liked this idea of, you know, the different page lengths. Oh, and over here, these are just some, we've got a shop here called Typo that has little boxes, or they did have little boxes of postcards, and I just thought that they were quite cute. I've put a couple in here and also in a few other spots. And that's just a heart one. This is just a pocket made out of an envelope. That's one of my printables, and that's another one. And I've interspersed the pages with some just some journaling paper of different types. This is a pocket made out of some of my paper printed on 200 GSM paper. I've got a tag that I've decorated with washi tape, and then this is one of my pages. I've just cut up one of the lined pages, so it's got butterflies on the back, and then I've just cut that up so it's like little journal cards. On the back I've got a double pocket. So there's one of my printables, and I've mounted it onto an index card, so it's like a journal card. And that's another one of those little postcards from Typo. This took me a while to work out. It's a fold pocket. I saw a video, I can't remember whose it was, but I liked the idea. And that's on double-sided printable. So I've used one of the coffee dyed paper printable on the back, and I put some sort of parchment paper there, and that's one of my printables there. It's a faux stamp. And then this is a little flip paper. And again, I've used some washi tape, and I've just some stamped on this. Oh, and I've got some lace and just some gold leaf design there. And this is like a tuck book. And I wanted this bird image to be visible, but it's actually really bulky, so I've sort of been leaving it flatter. And I think the mistake I made was I made it 3 pages instead of 1, but there's a lot of paper to write on there. So, I mean, it could tuck up like that. And there's some more pages there. And I've got parchment pages, and I've got leaf petal pages, textured pages. Now this is a double pocket. This one is an envelope. This is one of a journaling card from a collage masterboard that I've made. I've shown it before. It's very easy to get in as long as you're in the actual envelope. Of course I can't do that now. And this is a journal card from one of my printables. And I've just used a bit of cardstock and then layered that on the front. And on the back, I've just made a couple of tuck spots, just in the corners, double tuck spot, and that's two of those little postcards again. Now this is a complicated fold, and unlike the previous video, I actually made it and then I didn't attach it because I wanted to remember how to do it and think it out. So I wanted that label to be in the front. You could put something there or writing. Flips up this way, put something there, photo or something. This is an envelope, and I wanted this envelope in particular because it matches that color there. And then that flips that way, and there's a flip pad here. And then also you've got some writing journaling space there and a tuck there, and that's a tag I made which you can write on the back. And then there's a cat there, steampunk cat there. And on the other side of that, we have two pockets. So these are some of my printables that I've made, just punched into tags. That's one of my tag printables, which I've mounted onto cardstock. That's a tag from Kaisercraft. This is just like a little journal card. There's some more pages there, mixed paper. I haven't coffee dyed these. I've just left them plain so they can be written on easily. This is a belly band from the Time Traveller set again, and this is a little book I've made with some coffee dyed papers and things. I've used one of my printables double-sided as the cover, and I've just used some corrugated card and punched out some paper and then put a number there and used some lace. But I'm very excited. This is the first time I've actually stitched a book. I've used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch and put it together with some linen thread, and I'm very excited because this is the first time I've done one of these, and it just slides in there like that. So my friend will get my first stitch book, and here this paper clip comes off and that folds out, and there's some journaling space there. And this is the back cover. Got a pocket there, another journaling card. This was in a previous video, and there you have it. On the back cover we've got another cat, steampunk cat with wings, some more lace and gold leaf, and another one of my printable faux postage. So that's my ring bound journal. Obviously all of these come out, so you can take a page out if you want to write on it or do anything with it, and of course you can take all these individual pages out. So there's lots of writing space, there's lots of tuck spots, there's lots of places to put things in and mementos in, and I hope that my friend enjoys the folio when she gets it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Thanks.